Hey guys, Justin with Integrity Medical Courier Training here. We just wanted to do a quick tutorial for everybody. We've had a lot of people calling in a little bit confused on how to get training through us. So we just wanted to go over the couple different ways based on what your needs are. So we're going to jump into that right now. So first problem we run into is a lot of people off the bat go to Google and type our name in there. We don't want to do that. You want to go up to your browser at the top and type in Integrity delivers.com. That'll get you to our web page here. So up on the top, you're going to see a toolbar with some boxes here. You want to click on Get Trained, and then based on what your needs are, that's going to determine which one of these you're going to click on. So let's say you're just an individual who wants to get certified to deliver medical specimens. You're going to click on Online English Versions. That's going to take you to our products page here. All right, and the very first course you're going to see is called Specimen Handling and Transportation for First-Time Students. So what that is that's a course that includes both your bloodborne pathogen exposure control class as well as your HIPAA awareness class. Right now we've got that priced at $36.95 for the bundle. It'll take you about 2.5 hours to complete, and then there's a 20-question quiz at the end. Once you pass the quiz with an 80% or higher, your certificates will be in your account on our website. So those can be either digitally downloaded. You can download the PDF and save that, or you can just print them off and take them with you to show that you've got the proper certification. Another popular course we have is our Chemotherapy Hazardous Drugs Transportation for First-Time Students. So if you're going to be doing medical deliveries for cancer centers in your area, definitely get that training. That one takes about 45 minutes, and we've got it priced at $99 right now. Some other problems with that we've seen are people purchasing multiple courses that have the same thing in them. So before you purchase a course, just make sure that you're reading what's in it. So like, for example, this independent contractor membership, this already has HIPAA and bloodborne pathogen training in it. So if you decided to go with this option, you would not need the Specimen Handling and Transportation for First-Time Students course. So there's a lot of great options on here. And just to give you a quick idea, what you're going to do, say you want the Specimen Handling and Transportation for First-Time Students course, you click on it, and then you're going to click Buy, and that's going to take you to the payments page. If you have a coupon, right down here where it says Have a Coupon on the left side, you're going to click on that, and it'll open up a box where you can type in your coupon and then just hit apply, and it'll take that discount off of the total price for you. All right, another option, let's say you are a company with 1 to 2 owners, or you've got 3 individuals that you want to get training for, and you're going to have either 4 drivers, or even if it's just 1 to 2 people, we have different live training options if you're interested in that. This is rather than the ones that we just looked at, which were pre-recorded options that you can take anytime whenever you have a quiet work area. You can do it at night after you get off work. This one's a live training that will be scheduled with our owner Ken, and we use a program called GoToMeeting. It's kind of like Zoom. So basically they last 2.5 to 3 hours. And let's say you've got 1 to 2 people in the company, that'll be $249. And what you get for that is Ken's going to go over live with you guys HIPAA compliance, proper equipment, what kind of coolers to use, what should be on those coolers, what to do if you encounter a spill and how to use a spill kit, how to fill out an incident report form. You're also going to get a manual that he'll have created, and you'll pick that up a day or so before the training gets scheduled, so you guys can have that with you. But it'll have your company name on it, and for the $249 you get the owner admin manual. If you do the $399 training, that will get you the owner admin manual as well as the dispatch manual, and both will have your company's name on it. With this option, you also get both people would get a certificate in their name, and then you would get a certificate in your company's name as well. So this is a more comprehensive option. and a great option for large companies. So that's another way to go as well. If you decide to go with the live training option, just reach out to Ken at that 719-502-7081 number, and he will get you scheduled as soon as possible and get those manuals made and sent out to you, and then you can get moving on that. So hope this kind of clears things up for everybody, and if you have any questions, we're always here. We can be reached at 719-502-7081. Thanks.